Alright guys, so we have a Lexus IS250 2009 that we're going to be replacing the low beams on. And the way to get to this, you actually have to remove a lot of stuff. You got to remove your, at least partially remove your air intake box. So we already took out the filter, took out the top part, removed the snorkel that goes into this, that connects onto it. And then all you do is move it to the side, because you can't really move it unless you disconnect this cable right here, which is held in by a push clip. But we don't want to break it, so we're just going to leave it to the side. It gives you enough space to work with. Inside here, we've already opened it, but this is your actual harness for your light bulb. It uses H11s for your low beams, okay? So there's a little door that goes on here that is held on by this metal retainer right here. So all you do is just pop it up, and then the door comes off, okay? So then your bulb is going to be in here, which we already removed as well. You just disconnect it. It's going to be, it's like a push clip one too. Just lift it up, pop out, and then take off your bulb out, okay? Cool thing about this is they give us a lot of room to play with, so it gives you a lot of cabling. So once you get it out, just push to the side, take out your bulb, and you're ready to go. So we're gonna be using our LA H11s, okay? So we're gonna just connect these. So the two colors on these is gonna be blue and gray, okay? So normally the black cables are ground, so on this one we're gonna go with blue as power. So make sure your indicators, we have a positive, negative. Goes with positive goes with blue, negative goes with the gray blackish color, okay? All right, so as you can see, it's working properly. So remember, the blue cable is power and the grayish black cable is gonna be your negative, okay? In case it doesn't work, like I said again, just disconnect it and flip the connector over and reconnect it again, and it should be good. So all we're gonna be doing now is pretty much just connecting. Can you turn off the light, please? Okay, so once you turn off the power, that you see that it actually works, start installing the light, okay? First, make sure you put all your cabling in so you don't have to deal with it later. So let's see, pop that out. Carefully put it in there. Alright guys, so here's the comparison. We have the Lasfit H11s LAs on the left side, and we got our stock halogens on the right. Okay, check it out. Alright, so to get to your driver's side light, it's actually a little bit more simpler to your passenger. On these cars, you cannot go through the back of the wheel wells because there's a really weird design. They put a whole metal plate in the back and you can't really get to it. So this comes off. This is your washer fluid container or snorkel. You can actually remove this, just pops out. Just make sure you take out the 10mm screw that goes in here that holds this in place, and then pretty much just pops out, okay? And then your low beam is going to be right here, okay? Just flip this over. Opens like that, okay? Put that to the side, and see if we can get in there so you can check it out where the bulb is. And that's going to be your low beam, okay? That's an H11. So twist that off, and it pops out, okay? And we're going to install the LA H11, okay? So at this point, it should fit in no problem. So for now, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help you out, and thank you for watching.